Hello, in the last video, we learned how to draw scale drawings in AutoCAD using real-world dimensions. Today, we are taking it a step further. I will show you how to change the size of any object in AutoCAD quickly and accurately. I am Diangha Bertrand Timgum, a master holder in civil engineering and a practicing civil engineer. By the end of this video, you'll be able to resize lines, blocks, and shapes like a pro. When you need to resize, you might need to resize when a client requests a design adjustment. You imported a block that's too small or too large. You made an error and need to correct the size. Let's look at two easy and professional ways to do this. Method 1. Using the scale command. Select the object you want to resize. Let's say our room of 6 meters by 4 meters. Type in scale in the command line. Pick a base point. It can be any point on this room. So let's pick this point. We want to reduce it to a room of 3 meters by 2 meters. So we scale by half. So we type in 0.5 and press enter. The 0.5 is called a scale factor, so we have scaled it down by half. So as you can see, the object changes size but keep its proportion. We can verify by moving to the measure tool here and take quick, so we can see our room is still 3 meters. To edit the dimensions, we can just come in here and change from 6 meters to 3 meters by 2 meters. Enter. The next method is using what we call the stretch command. This is useful when you want to stretch part of an object without scaling the whole object. Activate the stretch command by typing in stretch on your keyboard. So we click on the base point and we can extend the room from 3 meters to 6 meters. So we type in 3, enter. And if we activate our measure command, we are going to see that the room has been extended to 6 meters. This works best with lines and closed shapes like rectangles. Common mistakes made. Don't confuse scale with dimensions. Always double check your unit before resizing. And that's how to resize any object in AutoCAD with precision. In the next video, we'll learn how to change and format dimension styles so your drawings look clean and professional. Hit the like button if this helped you and subscribe so you don't miss the next step in this AutoCAD Essential series. I am Diangha Bertrand Timgum. See you in the next video.